John Deb. Welcome to the Online Reputation Manager interview. I'll be asking you a few questions today. Shall we begin?
Yes, we can begin.
Great. Thanks, John. Before we dive into the main questions, could you briefly introduce yourself, your background with online reputation management, digital marketing, key tools you've used, and what interests you about this role?
My name is John Dev, and I am Digital Marketing Associate, and I have used AI tools for management of market strategies, and I am interested to grow my business mode.
Thanks, John. Could you share one concrete example of an online reputation task you handled, like responding to reviews or monitoring brand mentions, and name the specific tools, AI or otherwise, you used?
That candidate should describe about the tool. And yeah, I have also used to one of tool that OpenAI, and it was a great tool to create content and generate tax and affiliate marketing and strategies. And we can create more content and images.